Welcome to the Clinsoft batch creation tutorial. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to create batches in Clinsoft. There are two ways to create a batch. Method 1. Go to the administration menu and select Practical Activity. Once you are on the Practical Activity page, use the filter or search bar to find the practical activity you need. When you find it, click on the three-dot menu under the Action tab. Then select Add Batch from the menu. A pop-up will appear with fields based on the type of practical activity, placement, assessment, or training. For placement, enter the following details: intake, facility, ward, start date, end date, roster days per week, maximum number of students. Ensure that the selected facility supports this placement type. Next, you will see the Facility Educators Allocation Toggle option. Use this to choose whether all facility educators should automatically be assigned to the batch. If you leave this off, you can assign educators later from the Facility tab on the batch page. An automated batch ID will be generated in the Placement Batch title field. This serves as the name of the batch you are creating. Once everything is filled in, click Save. You will be redirected to the newly created batch page. Alternatively, you can also create a batch from the Batches option under the administration menu. The next step is allocating students to this batch, which we will cover in a separate tutorial. And that's it! You have successfully learned how to create batches in Clinsoft. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!